If you need to reset the infotainment system in your Chevrolet Tahoe, start by turning the vehicle on or switching it to accessory mode so the screen has full power. On many GM models, you can perform a quick reboot by pressing and holding the home and fast forward buttons at the same time until the screen goes black and restarts. This acts as a soft reset and fixes most minor glitches like freezing, audio issues, or Bluetooth problems. If that shortcut doesn't work, go into the on-screen settings menu, select System, then choose Reset Options. From there, you can perform a basic reboot or, if necessary, a factory reset. Keep in mind that a factory reset will erase saved phones, preferences, and custom settings, so only use it if the system is severely malfunctioning. After the reset completes and the GM logo reloads, repair your phone and test features like Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, radio, and the backup camera to confirm everything is functioning properly.